Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today we're gonna talk about this fantastic electric wheelchair for adults. This one that this brand sent to me for this video, it's actually really easy to control, really easy to navigate, super intuitive, but it's also really versatile, because number one, it is 500 watts, so it has the power to take you places. It has a 30 miles range, by the way, so that's actually a lot, I will say, for just how compact this is. Yet it's super foldable. You can just fold it back and take it with you on the go, so that's another good thing. But the best thing about this one is that it's really fast but also safe. This one actually has really good features that it will make it to be easy to navigate if you are taking someone with you, because you can actually push that person if you want. Just you can disable the motor and just push it, and when it's time to actually use the motor and use the electric features, you can just turn them on and that's it. But it also has locks, has a seatbelt, has a cushion, and it's also really nice and easy to take with you because it's super foldable. Let's actually dive in a little bit more. Okay, this is a nice kind of like quick overview that I'm gonna make of this chair. You can see that this one, you can fold it, and you can fold the entire chair, by the way. You can fold it just like this and put this one back. Let me show you. You can put this inside if you also want. And by the way, you have storage right here, which you can use for storage purposes, or you can use it to store the second battery, because this one comes with another second battery that you can take with you when you're going somewhere else in case that it runs out of juice. And then you plug it on the wall and you're all set. But going back to this one, it has a really nice cushion right here and a really firm cushion here because it supports 440 pounds. That's actually a lot of weight again for this one over here, which, by the way, you can see that you can put it in a storage position under a table, under a desk, or something like that, in case that a person that is using this needs to actually work on a desk, on a computer. You can do that as well. So that is really good to have, as well as these ones are gonna be a little bit padded, but this one, it is really firm. Two extra features that I like about this chair is actually three extra features. How easy it is to connect. You're gonna put the battery right here on the bottom part. This is the seat belt, by the way, so you can just use the seat belt, or you can just put it there if you also want. But this one is how easy this is gonna be just to fold. You can see this lock over here, so you're gonna push it and you're gonna be all set and you lock it back. That's how easy it's gonna be to push it and make it to be foldable. But these are locks, so this won't move. When it's locked, it won't move. You need to unlock it to make it to be electric back again. And by the way, these are really fat and big tires, which will make this one to be all-terrain, basically. And by the way, also, this one right here makes it to be really easy to push and transport when you are not having a person over there. So another good feature to have on this big chair. But then this is how easy it is to control. Turn on and off, honk, in case that you want to have some awareness for a person walking or something like that. And then you can speed it up. Talking about the speed, let's actually do a quick test. So this is the slow speed. This is the kind of like the first one. It comes with 5 different speeds. This is the slow one. So it's kind of like more for strolling and just making sure that you can navigate a mall or something like that. By the way, take a look at this. When I'm going reverse, you can hear the beeping, meaning that this one is also going to have that feature, which I think it is really good to have, just in case, again, you need to make awareness of that you are going in reverse. But then this is the fastest speed. You can see how fast this one goes when it's in this speed. So that's actually really good because it actually goes pretty fast. It's super easy to navigate, but it goes fast. So in case that you need to go somewhere like faster or kind of like, and by the way, also this one, it comes with auto lock and auto brakes. You can see that this one actually downhill, and now I'm not going back because it's locked. As soon as you drop this and you're not using the controller anymore, this one drops and that's gonna be auto lock. So I gotta say, I like this one. Again, summary, 440 pounds, 500 watts, 30 miles range, lightweight yet super firm and stable, cushions everywhere, storage position, really easy to navigate, fast and slow, and also it is foldable, so you can just put it in the trunk of your car and be all set, be all done. I like it, I gotta say, I do recommend it.